Hello, Tom here. Before setting up an affiliate marketing campaign, you need an overview of how affiliate marketing works. That's what this lesson is all about. You will learn the entire affiliate marketing process. Then, in the following lessons, we will explore each section in more detail. So the entire CPA affiliate marketing process looks like this. You choose an offer to promote. You send traffic to that offer. You get conversions on your offer. You optimize your campaign for better traffic, and then you send more traffic to your offer and hopefully make a profit. And there are three major parts that you need to focus on: your affiliate network, your tracking platform, and your traffic source. Let's examine this in more detail. To start, you need to choose an offer to promote. For this, we have affiliate networks. So these are networks which give you access to hundreds of different offers, from dating offers, payday loan offers, diet and supplement offers, to app install offers, and anything else you can think of. You need to choose an affiliate network and then open an account with them. In the affiliate network, you choose your offer and get a unique affiliate link, and you can send traffic to that link. As an affiliate marketer, you can either sign up to these affiliate networks or you can become an affiliate for individual products. Many online services offer affiliate signups. For example, you can sign up to be an affiliate with Bluehost and promote hosting. Or you can sign up to the Amazon affiliate program and get around 6% commission for each sale that occurs through your affiliate link. But in this lesson, I will be focusing on affiliate networks. I believe that this is the best way to start with affiliate marketing because many offers in affiliate networks have instant payouts and live tracking of conversions. I will do a more in-depth review of affiliate networks in another lesson. Basically, at this stage, you will choose the offer you want to promote. Next, you add your offer to your tracking platform. And a tracking platform gives you an insight into the visitors that click on your link. Having a tracking platform is not compulsory, but it's highly recommended. I will go into more detail of tracking later. For now, understand that you take the offer you want to promote and you add it to your tracking platform. Next, we have your traffic source. You want to drive traffic to your offer so that it converts. And a traffic source is the place where you buy visitors. A traffic source is an advertising network such as Bing ads, Facebook ads, or Propeller ads, just to name a few. When setting up your traffic source, you will need to create your creatives, and a creative is basically an ad. Depending on where you are advertising, a creative usually consists of a picture, a headline, some text, and a call to action. By call to action, I am referring to a button. So in summary, you choose an offer from an affiliate network, you add that offer to your tracking platform, then you create a campaign tracking link and you use it in your advertising campaigns. After you get visitors to your site, you can analyze the results and optimize your campaign. By optimize, I mean change the creatives, target different people, different websites, different devices, and perhaps different regions of a country. This is how the affiliate process looks. Now, do not worry if this seems like a lot to take in at this moment. In the next lessons, we will go into more detail of each section so that at the end of this course, you will know the entire CPA affiliate marketing process.